Innovation, integration, inspiration. The global SolidCAM community came together in Prague to share ideas shaping the future of manufacturing.
So we made a new architecture for our software where the CAM functionality is like a library, a full library, and then to every host card to integrate, we have a bridge.
I think when we're programming a real part, we're really thinking about multiple tools at the same time. Yes, first we want to do roughing, but then we are thinking, okay, how are we going to clean out the corners? Do we need to clean out the corners? Do we need to finish the wall? How are we going to finish the wall? So with iMachining, you get multi-tool inside the same operation, and everything is synchronized for you.
So we are trying to give digitization for the small companies, for the medium companies as well. The ones that don't want to invest $1 million in software to get started on digitization.
SolidCAM actually is great for all technologies in the shop. You can run your Swiss on it, you can run your 5-axis to your mill turns, your 3-axis, pretty much everything. And that you guys are coming out with a free version for makers, and I just thought that was such an incredible thing.
SolidCAM partnered up with us, and now we're going to be kind of showing more educational things in SolidCAM.
SolidCAM. You have Kyocera, Facebook, Amazon, Mitsubishi, Airbus. All of these companies put their trust in SolidCAM, and believe me, they are all happy.
Where we are going and what we want to provide our customers. First, we want to provide the top CAM for every customer. Next, our new product, SolidShop. We'll continue to be developing this. First of all, we'll prepare your teams to be able to support it, because we are known not only to be the best product, but the best supporters. Everybody's talking about AI. Okay, so we have to be also leaders in AI, because we want to be the leaders of everything. Okay, our chatbot today is the leader. No other CAM company has anything similar to our chatbot. We are going to announce soon SolidCMM, totally integrated inside SolidWorks to support the CMM machines that most of our customers have. So we'll keep expanding this ecosystem to give a complete solution. But we will never forget to lead in exceptional support. So as you see in this picture, we go where others don't. We lead. Thank you.
Knowledge, collaboration, technology, driven by excellence, defined by community. Beyond the sessions came the celebration.
Hey everybody, SolidCAM World in Prague, phenomenal.
I've got the thing on my mind, standing in the club all night. I gotta move my body, move my body. Take the body aside, getting in the bumpy road. I gotta move my body, move my body. On my mind, standing in the club all night. I gotta move my body, move my body. Take the body aside, getting in the bumpy road. I gotta move my body, move my body.
Feel it in my body. My dance moves right away. When you see me grooving, these beats keep me.
Next year in Dallas.